Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the simple steps to activate your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. Right now, welcome to our channel if you have just received your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card and are ready to start using it for all your purchases. Then, let's get it activated quickly. And easily activating your card is an essential step to unlock all its amazing benefits, including cashback, rewards, no annual fees, and worldwide acceptance. The first step is to locate the activation sticker or instructions on the card itself, or in the accompanying welcome packet. Usually you will find a toll-free number to call or a website link where you can activate the card. To start activation by phone, patiently dial the number provided. This automated system will guide you through the required steps. You will typically be asked to enter the 16-digit card number printed on your new card, as well as your personal information to verify your identity. Next, you might be prompted to set personal identification number or PIN. Choose a secure and memorable number, as this will be used for ATM transactions or use at certain retailers. If you prefer activating online, navigate to the secure activation website mentioned on your card mail. This option offers the convenience of activating your card directly from your computer or phone. Once on the site, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. You may also provide some personal verification information, such as your social security number or billing address. After entering all information, carefully review and confirm your details. Completing this step will activate your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card, making it ready for use. After activation, take a moment to register your card online on the Amazon website or app. This registration is important as it helps you manage your card account, keep track of your spending, review your rewards, and update your payment options. Additionally, registering your card enhances security and makes it easier to report any fraudulent activity should it occur. Finally, now that your card is activated and registered, start enjoying the benefits offered by your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. Use it on Amazon purchases for special deals and 5-back rewards on eligible purchases, and earn cashback on everyday spending. Remember to keep track of your payment due dates to avoid any fees. Take advantage of customer support if you encounter any issues or have questions regarding your card activation or usage. Activating your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card is a straightforward process that opens up a world of benefits and convenience. Start today by following these simple steps and enjoy seamless shopping and rewarding experiences.